Here at Binalonan Airfield, safety is the topmost priority for everyone, from clients to the employees themselves. Here are the rules that you have to follow when visiting the airport. Vests are a protective gear usually worn for visibility and protective measures. Everyone who enters the airport is required to wear a highly visible one.
Before everything else, you have to first get an access pass to be able to enter the premises of the airport. Here are the guidelines to getting one. First, go to the airport operations office in the terminal building. When you get there, surrender one valid ID to the airport operations personnel there. Take note that you may only use the access pass only for the duration of your visit. There are 4 kinds of access passes that refer to different parts of the airport. An all areas pass, a tower pass, a ramp pass, a terminal pass, and a visitor's pass. Next, the access pass must be worn on chest level, not covered by any clothing or any other IDs, and must be visible at all times when inside the restricted areas of Binalonan Airport. If you lose it at any time during your visit, you will have to issue a replacement for it. Third, you may only enter the airport through the designated entry and exit points depending on the kind of access pass you are given. Lastly, before leaving the airfield, please return the access pass back to the airport operations office to claim your ID. Using cell phones inside the airport is not allowed since the signals coming from them are ground waves, which can potentially ignite the fumes from the aviation fuel. It may also cause distraction to people who are inside the vicinity of the airport. Smoking poses health and safety risk for Binalonan Airport. Airport rules state that smoking is forbidden because it can start fires and explosions, since aviation fuel is highly flammable.
The taxiway was made to serve as a guide from the parking bay to the runway and back. These next set of guidelines are for pilots when using the taxiway of Binalonan Airport. First, from the parking bay, always use taxiway Delta. After that, always stop at the designated holding point markings. Next, request clearance from the tower to enter the active runway. Third, when entering the ramp area going towards the parking bay, exit at taxiway Shera. Afterwards, you may proceed to parking bays 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. If you are designated to use parking bays 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, proceed to taxiway Shera and turn left to taxiway North.